Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. It's a beautiful day to read price action. Vote in the chat what you think your bias is for today. We're above all-time highs. It's Friday. Tricky. You know, it's tricky. We have 10 a.m. 4-inch folder. Okay. No S&P at the highs for me to want to look for shorts. I don't know if I'll find something today because it's left a bunch of FEGs from the other day. Go retrace into it. Bum, 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 bum. What do you guys vote for? Probably bullish, right? Alright, I'm gonna give you one more minute to vote in the chat. Wow, it pretty much is split down the middle. Greetings from the Netherlands. Greetings. Type in the chat where you're watching from. Let's see. Chi-Town, West Palm Beach, Australia, Ireland, Belgium, Kenya, West London, UK, Chi-Town, Egypt, US, Germany, Atlanta, Qatar, Canada, New York City, Atlanta, India, California, Pittsburgh, Edinburgh thing, Scotland, Chicago, Cairo, Argentina, India, Vietnam, Argentina again, Ethiopia, good old Minnesota, sunny London, Germany, Pakistan, Morocco, Manhattan, hello neighbor, Kenya, Switzerland, India, Nepal, North Korea, Uruguay, Nepal, the moon, Malaysia, Ukraine, Montreal, New Jersey, Transylvania, Slovakia, Malaysia, Alabama, Sweet Home Alabama, Oregon, Russia, Czech, Bangladesh. Have I been to Nepal? No. Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Jersey, New Jersey. What was all that about, says Chris Fisher. Yeah, that was interesting. What was this? 9:29. Alright, let's get it poppin' here. To open in a few minutes, in like 1 minute. That was strange. Oh, what was that? That could have been the SMT for the morning. We'll see. No first presented FEG of the day yet, so. Don't love it for if I was going to short, you know. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. I don't know. What are we going to do, you guys? See, yeah, you guys are literally pretty much split 50-50 between bullish and bearish for the day. It's like 40%, 42%, 41% bullish, 39% bearish, 19% neutral out of 1,000 votes. So, to be honest, we hit all-time highs already. It might be just a consolidation, like morning. I'd rather see us drop or have a first presented FEG or something here, an inversion. I'm just gonna stick to 1 minute. If Nasdaq takes out the high day again, it's gonna be left. We'll go up higher, you know. You look younger than your age. Do you even know my age? Yes, Steven says YM's the cleanest so far. Nice little dump. I was just taking a look at that. YM is dumping. Please top-down analysis. Someone thinks I'm 35, 39, 21, 18, 27. I'm not 32. Get the fuck out of here. You're banned. You're banned. Castillo's put everybody in timeout. Everybody that's guessing 30s and 40s and 50s. The fuck? No, I'm just joking. Castillo, you don't have to delete them. They're trolling, bro. It's funny. It's okay. I asked for it. I asked. How old do you think I am? Why is my mouse glitching like that? The fuck? I have a feeling we're just gonna dump right now from here. I'm not, yeah, you guys are still guessing. I'm 27. 27 years young. Alright, I'm gonna try, if it gets back to the first presented FEG, I'll try to short that. And my limit in case it does. I would put my stop above the, let me see. I'm trying to figure out whether I put it above the SMT or this high. Probably put it above this high. I can afford 2 of them. Okay. I wouldn't want it to come back above 9:30 open anyway. So we've like literally failed there near the bodies of these candles. So yeah, let's see if it comes back here or not. Bum, 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 bum. It just keeps wicking midnight open, so I keep like having a thought like, oh, it's just gonna dump, but it doesn't. So I mean, I'm just gonna have my limit in, and if it doesn't fill me, then whatever. You know, that is a limit in like upper half of the leg. All right, I'm filled. Stops in. TP is in. I'm in shorts right now. My stop's going to be like, yeah, I already said it. But, yeah, we'll see if this goes to that sell side. I'm just going to go for that, like, pre-market sell side, the first initial one. We also have a bunch of equal lows. I like that there was an S&T there. And I like that we dropped and have a FEG here. Broke a short-term low. So I'm going to try that short. My stop's above here. If I get stopped out, then it's just, all-time high barcode action. I'm not going to really worry about it because it's just a business expense. But I feel pretty good about it, honestly. I don't really mind that it closed above the first presented FEG because, like, honestly, price action's kind of wonky, right? It's not very precise this morning. So far I've been drawdown for like 2 minutes or so, minute and a half. Back to about break even, not quite. So if this is going to be any good, I mean, this is probably going to be the next short-term high. And we should continue going lower from here, but I don't know. Passy. I do know there's a bunch of equal lows, right? Like, these are so many equal lows here, at least. And these are equal lows. And this will just be in a 1R down here, but we'll see. Oop, dumping. Equal lows. Oh my god. Honestly, stops break even now. Took swept equal lows. I want to just straight dump there. You know, I don't want it to sweep equal lows, do some BS. Like I would have, if I had taken it like in a way I could before I could blink, I would maybe take a partial there. But let's see, dude, it literally happened while I was blinking. There's more equal lows below you. It's pre-market low. Don't be a bum and like barcode back up. If it does stop me at break even, it's just high resistance liquidity, you know? Run, which means like it's a barcode type day. I don't even want to be part of it, to be honest. Look at that wick. The wicks be wicking, you guys. Anyway, let's see. No matter what, this is a free trade right now, you know? So, where's ES's pre-market low? Yeah, right here. So yeah, I mean, I like that it dumped and made another 1 minute FEG. I'd like that to hold. So that's why I'm kind of fine with this. This is a pretty large FEG anyway. I wouldn't want us to dig back up into this range again, you know? So let's see it. I'll be just seriously just watching. Like a hawk. I'd love it to just fall apart, have this be a breakaway gap. Heard you're back together, and if that's true. I hope NQ won't be toxic today. Don't be toxic, please. What the fuck is ES doing? Oh my god. Oh, I fall apart. You got it. Thank you. Fall apart for me. Oh, I fall apart. Everybody sing. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Let's go, let's go. Please. Ow. Don't you dare, like, wick this shit. I hope you fall apart. So I hope this is a breakaway gap, which means it shouldn't, like, come back to even 50% of it. So I'm happy with my stop at breakeven. Come on, ES catch up to the sell side, yeah? At the very least, we have 1R, you know? I'm watching this like a hawk. Fucking hell, mate. Drop. It rejected 830 again. I like that, and I like that it rejected this. Now I want it to continue dropping, honestly. I'm fine with a slow grind down. Don't be a barcode. Just continue grinding lower, please. If this goes down, if it hits new low day and ES, that's... What the fuck? Oh my god, I forgot that there's 10 a.m. news. Oh my god, I just got wicked out of there so hard. Are you shitting me right now? What kind of fill did I get on that shit? Oh my god, did I get killed? No, I didn't. Thank god. Alright, now I got stopped at breakeven. Holy. Oh well. I would have still held up to 10 a.m. news. I would have thought that 10 a.m. news dumped it, so. Sorry if I startled you. People were warning me. Oh, it's okay. Sorry, I was too locked in. It's too locked in. You know, I'm fine with that, though. I would have done the same thing. I thank goodness I didn't like that. It didn't. Honestly, shout out, like, the Ninja Trader. I didn't get flipped on that, you know? I got stopped where my stop was. You know what will piss me off though is that if now it just starts going down, but I don't really care because this is a wonky ass price action. Like it wants to hurt people as much as possible. Like ES, what the hell? Did ES take out that high a day? Like, hell no. It made an equal high. Wait, 35350. What? Yeah, made an equal high. Oh well, I can't do. I tried my best there. It's gonna be shit if we go down to my sell side after that. But that's just how the market is sometimes, and especially all-time highs. I wouldn't re-enter, to be honest, because there's not a good risk RR still. And yeah, I would have wanted the Titanium news to drop us lower, not fucking go back higher. But look at those wicks. That wick is wild. 71 to like a 20-point wick, 25-point wick. Are you shitting me right now? Maybe I would have taken a partial before 10 a.m., but I'm totally fine with this. Like, no risk, no Rari. Oh, yep, of course it has to dump, dude. Of course it does. My biggest op is NQ. They don't want you to win. They don't want you to win. Hit pre-market low. Now it's gonna dump. At least that's entertaining. You can't say the market's not rigged, you know? I was just surprised that was going to wake up because I felt as though, like, the only chance to get short was going to be that first presented FEG. And, like, it was going to run lower. Like I said, I wanted that to be a breakaway gap. So, it's just not cleanly moving lower. So, there's not really much I could do about that, right? So I'm not even mad. The structure's not that great, so. Not even mad. I'm really happy with my trading this week. Like, I've been really good at executing my ideas. It's like, what? I was in drawdown for maybe 4 minutes. Then we dropped down and I was in good profit. It was up 1 hour for another 5 minutes. And at the news stopped me at break even. And then it started displacing, going lower again. Okay. NASDAQ came right up to this high and made it equal highs here. Never took out this high. Market's rigged, obviously, we all know that, so yeah. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. I mean, maybe I should do a giveaway. What do you guys think? Maybe at the end of the stream. Yeah, good thing I went break even. I'm totally fine with that because you have no idea. Sometimes they'll wick crazy. Like ES wicked the intermediate term high or whatever, the lower high here. It's just hard for me to get back into here now because, you know, I don't really trust putting my stop in here to this high. I feel as though I would have to put it somewhere like this high, this wick or midpoint, something like that. I don't know. I just don't know. You know, I'd rather just watch this happen here. See what's good here. You know, let's watch this. It's like order block here, on a 2 minute, as well as, you know, this is 1 minute order block. This is an FEG. Let's watch if it wicks this. It's a reject here. I'll just watch price action here. Like all in all, we're literally flat on the day on the indices, so makes sense. It's a little trickier. You guys think the sell side's going to get taken before? And the thing is, it really is like not asking for a lot. Just looking for it to come back to a 4-hour FEG and a super premium. But we've seen, like, it could totally make another generate a low or something. It's just super hard. Yeah, it's hard for me to just to short here, have a stop that makes sense. Didn't come back here. Oh, yo, I literally had the line there too, and I didn't remember. That's why I always put a line there. But honestly, I would have still done the same thing. Put stop break even, hold through the 10 a.m. like orange folder news. I honestly would have thought that, risk would have been managed. Stop break even. And then there's only upside that it could have filled me. Could have also gone down at the news, So calm, yeah. This is one of those Fridays, totally. Yeah, let me tell you, for the Ninja Trader event, let me put that in, I forgot to pin that. Does anyone have any questions about that? Pin it in the chat. So basically on this coming Monday, I'm doing a $1,000 arena challenge with Ninja Trader. $2,500 in cash prizes for the top 10 on the leaderboard. I'll put it in the chat and I'll pin it. Sign up if you want to be part of that. I'll be part of it as well. So on Monday, everyone gets starting capital of $1,000, simulated capital, and then by the end of the day, by 5 p.m., the top 10 on the leaderboard of the best P&Ls, they're going to win $2,500 in cash prizes. So there's not many seats left, actually. So there's 1,500 seats total, and so far 1,116 people signed up. So what is that, 390 seats left. So sign up now if you want to be part of it. So you would have to go to that link I just pinned, and it's not all taken. You would think that, I'm sure some people think, oh yeah, look, it says 50, it's full. No, it's not. You have to scroll down to competitions, and then you'll see Tanya Trades 1K Arena Challenge. Okay? Sign up here. First, you have to have a Ninja Trader account. You have to register or log in. Yeah, it'll be fun. There, we hit the sell side. We hit that sell side after I called it too. After I saw that wick, I was like, bruh, watch that shit just now distribute lower. That was a manipulation. But let's say I'd re-entered. Been like a 1.3R, okay. What if I had re-entered right where but I probably would have re-entered around here then. It would have been like a 1R. I'm not even that mad. It's like exposing myself to more risk when I already was on that trade. I'm just happy. I'm happy I read it right. And another time the same thing will happen. I'll have the confidence to short again in that first presented FEG. I'll have that confidence. And I don't think I'd change anything. I would still put stop break even, to be honest with you. Because who would have thought that this candle would have retraced all the way like this, even on the 15, right? We were already down here. So here we are, we're down into this, and we successfully, analyzed shorts during all-time highs. Congrats if you held and you took that trade after I said maybe that would be manipulation. Congrats if you won out on the shorts today. It was, the chat was basically 50-50 about longer bias or short bias today. So yeah, let me know what you did today. Did you also get stopped out break even today? Did you hold your shorts? Did you re-enter shorts? Let me know. I'm personally happy with how I did this week. And I feel pretty chill about this. I don't feel FOMO as it's going for that sell side. I feel like that's just the market, you know. We never even came back into this 1 minute here on NASDAQ, which is interesting, right? Like, why couldn't it have done this while I was in it here, you bum? I got stopped out break even. Who signed up, by the way? Let me know in the chat if you signed up for the Ninja Trader challenge, so I know who else is competing. Keith Lou said, "Wham bam, thank you, man." Nice. Someone said, "Let's go talk." Bull Harbor said he entered on the breaker, pyramided on. Someone entered during the 10 a.m. wick. Cool, that's ballsy. Brian Winslow stayed flat today. What would have happened? Yeah, let me see this again. What would have happened? Like, what was my idea? What kind of RR was this? I think it was a 2R, right? This was 1 point. Oh, this is, yeah, that's fine. That's a 1R, and then this was a 2R. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I like my idea there. Thomas Risto also got break even on the news. Yep. Lucas said he got stopped out with $17 profit. Nice. I got stopped out with $23 in the hole. Kasha avoided the stop out. He took profits. Nice. NQ getting revenge from the cheating yesterday. How to get its lick back. Dude, that's funny. Yeah, dude. Yesterday, I was long ES after NASDAQ took pre-market low first or whatever. 1 second. Oh, yeah. My mom just texted me the whole Coldplay concert thing with the CEO getting caught. The CEO of Astronomer got caught with having an affair with the head of HR. That's crazy. Who saw that, by the way? Someone held through news. Lucky stops were at the highs. Nice. Yeah, I don't really care that I put my stop break even there. I really did think, like, oh, FEG. I thought this one should stay breakaway, but the wicks be wicking today. Yeah, I got caught cheating yesterday with ES2. It was live. That's what we were talking about. Yeah, I was longing ES to all-time highs. My bad, I should have just longed NASDAQ. I'm sorry forever. Yeah, NASDAQ's getting its revenge on me today. Totally. She's so toxic. She's toxic. So toxic. Oh my god. Am I looking for reversals? No, because the trade I wanted was the shorts. Jumbotron caught him. Yeah. I think the wife will get a nice divorce settlement. Probably. That affair would cost him half his fortune. I guess it depends if he has a prenup. I don't know. Tanya, why didn't you sell NQ on the 2-minute to the 2-hour FEG? To the 4-hour FEG? I don't know what you're talking. I did, dude. Oh, here? I was in the trade there, dude. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, here? Why didn't I sell it here? It really did feel like wonky price action. I felt like too wide of a stop. I didn't feel like I could put a stop here, honestly, with the way that it came all the way here. You know, I guess the stop could have been back here, but it just didn't make sense to me. And it's just exposing myself to the same trade, the same risk. I'm okay with that. I don't want to do that. And then when I get stopped down, then I feel like an idiot. You know, it's just it's the same trade that I was in already, and I got stopped break even. So, but me re-entering the same trade just exposes myself to more risk when I already de-risked. Then, like, you know, then I should have just, you know, if I was going to do that, then I wouldn't have gotten stopped out of this trade. I would have had a wider stop, you know. So, and the RR is not there. Simply, like, where's your stop going to be here? If you take the 2-minute. You want your stop to be here? Even if you put your stop here or something, it's like less than a 1 hour. Like, and then this is just hindsight. This is still less than a 1 hour. I'm happy anyway to see that it's able to frame shorts at all-time highs. Do you know why there's been many news candles? Because there's news. That's a dumb question. Don't give me a headache, please. Okay, there's 350 seats left in the 1K Arena Challenge, just letting you guys know. It's pinned in the chat. If you want to enter. There's only 350 seats left. I'm expecting it'll get filled up by Monday. Obviously, I want my live stream to be part of it. I want you guys I want someone from the stream to win. You know, I'll be reporting on the leaderboard on Monday. I'll be also be part of the challenge, and I'll be doing it live on Ninja Trader's YouTube. First place gets $1,000 cash. Second place $500. Third place $300. Fourth to 10th is $100. So I worked with them about making this not a challenge where it's really displaying skill, because a lot of times for these kinds of challenges, you know, people just YOLO because they have $25,000, $50,000 starting balance, and then they just go in with 20 minis. So that's why we're doing $1,000 starting balance, and you're going to have a maximum contract size of 3 for micro ES and micro NASDAQ, MES and MNQ. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, you'll get free live data. If you go to the link, it's not full. You have to log in and sign up first. And you scroll down to Tanya Trades 1K Arena Challenge. So, yeah. This is unfortunate that pullback stopped me out. This might be like a local top, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to see in the coming days. I'd want tomorrow to be a down day also. I mean, Monday. But I can just see so many people were looking that this was a local top. They got stopped out at all-time highs. Maybe now it's a local top. But I don't know. We'll have to see on Monday and to the rest of today. That's good. That's fine. Just make sure you move my name from it. Put your name. The competition is not full. Rouge. You guys don't pay attention to the instructions. Why don't you please read the instructions. It's in the pin chat. I said it a few times where you have to log and register first, scroll down to browse competitions, and then sign up. Victor Rosario, thank you for hanging in there and dealing with these trolls. No problem. I chose this life. Part of the job, part of the life, essentially. Just don't dish out what you can't take back is my advice if you're going to try to troll me. Don't dish out what you can't take. You know, there's been times where even other influencers try to troll me and then I said the same thing back or something similar and then I got blocked and I was like, oh, well, who's the girl here in this scenario? I don't know. Who's the little girl here? Don't dish what you can't take. Will a contest sim account just open up in my NinjaTrader? I think so when you log in. How will we trade MES with TradingView? Yeah, you can log into NinjaTrader on TradingView if you want to do that. Like it's just open up on the bottom, just like you can log in to Trade-of-8. There's NinjaTrader listed. Casey said, I like that format. I don't usually trade contests because of the YOLOs. Yeah, exactly. So now it's like more fair because like I don't like that the other contests, typically disciplined players, they don't get rewarded because there's someone that just got lucky and YOLO'd something. Hi, do you trade minis or micros? Nowadays I trade minis, but I started on micros. Tanya, the prize money will be individually distributed or divided amongst top 10. So it's the first place gets 1,000, second place gets 500, third place gets $300, and then 4th to 10th place get $100 each. Oh, Johnny Soko said he found it. Within your trading platform of choice, log into simulation mode. Then from your account drop-down menu, you can select your arena simulation account. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so it'll show up in your account. Tanya, you German? Yet. No. Or 9. I'm new here and I love it. Welcome, Marty Jean. Cars and football. Yeah. Yeah. Someone wants to start a beat with me and couldn't take it, blocked me immediately. Okay. Nice road runner. Have a great weekend. He's gonna go touch grass. Touching grass is a great thing to do. I touched grass yesterday. I went to pitch and putt, practiced my short game. I had a great time. I'm much better than I was the first time I went to pitch and putt. And I actually kept score. I scored an 81 on a par 54. But hey, I honestly feel like that's not that bad, considering I'm a very beginner. And there was times I 5 putted. And then that's on me. And yeah, it was fun. And then this Saturday I'm gonna go. I have a tee time at 6:30 this Saturday at a harder course, 18-hole course than the last course I played. The first 18-hole course I played, just last Saturday, I scored a cool 122 on a par 72. My goal is to break 100. Hopefully by October. I'm working on it, you know? At least I have my lessons and stuff. I think I literally just have to do more drills and things also. JTT. Are there any props that you know of that don't have intraday trailing drawdown from unrealized profits? Just lost funded account with profits. Oh no. Yeah. Tradeify and my funded futures is good for that. They're end of day drawdown. So yeah, you won't get hurt if you're in profit. Why did I draw SMTNQ and ES pair? Just look at this, a pre-market. Chris Fisher called it out when he was at 929. He was like, what was that? And, I noticed it as well, but that was good to bring attention to it. Look, NASDAQ took out that pre-market, that London high, and ES did not. So you have a divergence, and that's typically, especially with a bunch of BISIs below, that's typically an indication of a potential reversal in brewing, right? So I just personally waited until a break below fair value gap, and I shorted here. And unfortunately, we took out new low day. Yeah, I put stop loss break even, got stopped out break even during the news. There's not much I could do. I could have maybe put my stop to here, but I would have done the same thing, honestly. Because especially it's a Friday, I did great this week also, so I don't mind taking that stop loss break even. In this scenario, we took out these pre-market lows already, and it makes sense. It just decided to barcode, and then it did drop more. Maybe I would have re-entered, but maybe my mental is not so sharp today with refocusing, wanting to re-enter, but I'm honestly fine with it. I'm fine with just watching it and go there. So what we can do is also take the standard deviation from here to here. It's the false swing higher, and yeah, it actually got to that -1 here. I wonder if that lined up with any low. Probably not, right? Oh, it lined up pretty well with this lower FEG, actually. That's cool. It's 10:36. Reserve traders. I've never played golf before. I feel like I can be really good at it because I love precision. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. 122 isn't bad for being new. Thank you. It was my first. I'm like, hey, can only go up. Hopefully, can only improve from here. I'm just excited to see how the journey, the improvement. Like, I'm excited. And I don't get mad. I didn't get mad once. Like, you know, I feel like, yeah, I'm not good enough to get frustrated in golf. And that could probably work for trading too. If you're a beginner in trading and you're like getting super frustrated at yourself, like you're straight up not good enough to get frustrated at yourself yet. Like you don't know any better yet. Just be neutral about it. Like, okay, yeah, I could have done this better. And that's it. Cars and football started a new sport called lawn bowling. Check it out, you'll like it. What's lawn bowling? Looks like bocce. Looks like balota. I play something built similar. I play bocce in Croatia. It looks pretty similar. We call it balota. YG Trade says he appreciates my live sessions. Thank you. Hit the like button if you appreciate it. Get foam practice balls on a carpet. Chipping in the house whenever I was bored significantly helped with contact. Okay. The reason why I got into golf is because my building and its amenities I have a golf simulator. So that's sick. And in that room there are also clubs, like women's clubs, men's clubs, and lefty clubs. Now I have my own clubs. But that's how I got started in it. I just need to go to the simulator more, and driving range, whatever, also. But it definitely is so different just hitting off of grass. So it's weird. How are you supposed to practice putting, you know? It's not the same on turf versus grass. So that's tough. I just entered. Someone said that they entered. Okay. Right. Today was TGIF. But, like, what is the weekly range? This. Let's see. Where was TGIF? Yeah, 20% was here. Lovely. TGIF. Let's see. Yeah, about 300 seats are left now. Hi, can we trade the Ninja competition on Mac or Apple computer? I think so. If you log into TradingView here, you can go to TradingView Ninja Trader. Or for MacBook, the way I traded Ninja Trader like platform on my MacBook, I got Parallels where you could run any Windows program. Vicky Mo says, you made it as a trader with golf simulator in your apartment building. Yeah. I have a lot of amenities, but I don't have time to use all of them. I think I used the pool 3 times, only when other people were here visiting me. I honestly don't really care for a pool. Like, I'd rather be in the sea. There's a bunch of, like, I don't know, chlorine and everything. It's just a lap pool. What else? There's like a steam room and a sauna. When are you supposed to use a sauna, you guys? Let me know. I don't really understand. Do you use it after workout? Do you use it right away and then you shower after? Do you shower first then sauna after? Do you shower first then sauna after? Do you sauna then you shower? Like, I'm confused. What's the protocol for sauna? You shower first. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, wait. Sauna, wait, someone says sauna shower. Gym workout shower. Sauna then shower. I don't know. Why are you guys both saying? You guys are saying both. I'll have to go look at the website on Huberman. Sauna then shower. Sauna going to make you sweat crazy. Sauna then shower, okay. Gym, sauna, shower. Alright, I got it. Thank you, everybody. Holy But I'm confused. Okay. But, like, yeah. The challenge is not full of Vivalin. You have to log in and scroll down. This is a different challenge that you're seeing is full. This is different. This is a 5-day challenge. Mine's a 1-day challenge. This is, thankfully, hopefully in 6 hours, everyone's going to stop asking that. You have to scroll down competitions, browse competitions, and then you'll see Tanya Trades 1K Arena Challenge and enter. Okay? Link is pinned in the chat. Kind of wild that ES has been like manipulating more than NASDAQ because ES took out this intra high and NASDAQ didn't. Isn't that wild? Why is ES being even more toxic? Like, ES, you were the weaker one here. You didn't take out that SMT. You didn't take out this high. London high. Cheesy no, sorry. Sorry, Takimo was funny. You know you've made as a trader and there's too many amenities to use in your apartment building. Yeah, there's a music room too. I haven't played piano for a while. They have like piano, drums, guitars in there. I don't have the time. What else? There's a really nice gym. Yeah, nice gym. And roof terrace. Don't ask me what my rent is. It's diabolical. Yeah, please be hygienic and shower before sauna. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, you guys. Everyone's telling me. Let's look at Huberman Lab. Huberman Lab sauna protocol. Let's see, wait, do they have that? Okay, deliberate heat exposures for health. A little tells you like what temperature. This is not telling me about the gym though. Oh, I think that's I forgot. That's like what the growth hormone is, or whatever. Multiple sessions of 30 minutes. I'm not doing, ain't nobody got time for that. 30 minutes in the sauna? No. I'm not doing that. Drink 16 ounces of water for every 10 minutes you're in the sauna? Damn. I feel like I think basically what I should do is like shower after my workout, sauna, and then just like shower again, but like just rinse on that shower. I'm straight up confused. I've never used sauna. There's also steam room. I don't even know what that's for. Is that the same thing? But it's like a wet sauna? What is the steam room for? I don't know. It's overwhelming. Workout, sauna, workout, shower, sauna. Sauna before or after. See. Yeah, okay. It's generally recommended. Yeah, that's what I said. Okay, to shower and cool down from your workout before and then shower again afterwards. Okay. Good. That's what I was saying. It's not hygienic otherwise. Okay. And then it's recommended to rinse off the sweat. I'm just gonna like rinse it off then. Because that'll be like clean sweat or some shit. I don't know. Whatever. Showering is literally 2 minutes. If you don't wash your hair. Washing hair takes like a while. I have a lot of hair. A lot of thick hair. How long is the challenge? 1 day. It's from 9:30 a.m. that day until 5 p.m. So you got 1 day. It's gonna be tough because, like, definitely gonna be tough. I don't know how I'm gonna do. Come support me. Come watch Ninja Trader live on Monday, 9:15 a.m. I'll be on Ninja Trader's YouTube hosting the challenge. Yeah, I'm slightly concerned because there's no high impact news that day. But there's only high impact news later in the week, so it might be a slower day. But like, hopefully something like this will happen. A decent setup. Doesn't matter. I'm not worried. Hosting it so that we have fun. And to report on the leaderboard. So make sure you scroll down. This is not my competition. This is something else that ends in 6 hours today. This ends today. Scroll down or go to competitions, browse competitions, Tanya Trades 1K Arena Challenge. Duration about 8 hours. Enter there. And this is great because then now you have like a link, actually, arena.ninjatrader.com. In the future, when there's other competitions, you can join other ones too. Like maybe Kane will host something. I don't know. We'll see. Any more questions for that? Let's click how it works. Yeah, how it works. Step-by-step. What step-by-step guide? Sure. You register, you choose a nickname, you could upload a picture. I uploaded my picture. Click competitions, join competition, access it. Whenever the markets are open on Ninja Trader's entire suite of trading platforms. Additional details are here. You can do it on Ninja Trader Mobile, Ninja Trader Web, There's just literally a FAQ. Just sign up and you can see if you're interested. Checking the leaderboard and viewing your challenges. So you guys can see the leaderboard too. All the active ones, you can click view leaderboard to view the current leaderboard of any active challenge and click view result. So like when it's live, you'll see total net P&L like this. What rank you are. You could go trade now and click view leaderboard. So it's just arena.ninjatrader.com. All right, let's go back. That's the step-by-step guide. Let's see, what is it? It's a risk-free proving ground to show what you've got, what it takes to trade the futures markets. Create your profile, select the competition, track your performance. Yeah, make sure, the spots are limited. I think there's 300 spots left. So sign up now. There's only 300 spots left. There's 1,500 total spots. Top 10 will get split $2,500 in cash prizes. Number 1 on the leaderboard, first place will get $1,000 cash prize. Second place will get $500. Third place will get $300. Then everyone else from 4th to 10th place will get $100 each. Let me see. What are we looking up right now? Oh yeah. Let me click on it again. How many people signed up? Let's see, FAQ. Who is eligible to participate? You just have to have a NinjaTrader user account. Limited to 1 user profile per individual trader. So don't try to make multiple accounts and hedge or something. Like they'll catch that. You see, they have the right to disqualify someone that's not in compliance with that. You don't need funded. It's free. Yeah, you'll have to just connect to your platform in simulation mode, and then your account drop down, you select your Arena simulation account. Like when you sign up, you'll see what your account name is on the website after you sign up. Well, can I continue to trade if my account balance reaches 0? No, that makes sense. So, and then you could later, if you're interested in more competitions, there'll be other ones too in the future. You could enter multiple competitions. This is just like a fun thing to do. Okay. Finalized leaderboard and prize payouts will be based on the total P&L, realized and unrealized, in a participation simulation account at the time the competition ends. So they're using fees and commissions based on just whatever the CME is. Obviously, there's no actual fee, but they're just subtracting that from your account balance. Just like other prop firm funded accounts are. Okay, so any open position at the end of the competition will be liquidated, and any changes in total P&L after the competition has ended will not affect the finalized leaderboard. Yeah, you'll be able to see a leaderboard throughout the competition. And the total P&L and unrealized P&L. Ooh. Leaderboard data is 10 minutes delayed. Okay. Will the competition start date and end date be associated? Yeah, so it starts at 9:30 a.m. Eastern and it ends at 5 p.m. Eastern. By the way, have you noticed how NASDAQ has not really moved much after hitting that -1 standard deviation? I could see it probably coming out and taking out this high. Oh, so in my competition, you can only trade micro, ES, and micro NASDAQ. They're obviously not carrying positions overnight. It's only one day for mine. But on other competitions, they have like 5 days, and you can actually, depending on the margin of that account. That's cool. How will the prizes be paid? It can either be credited to a NinjaTrader account for existing account holders or distributed through a wire transfer based on the winner's direction. So based on your preference. If a winner does not have an account with NinjaTrader, they'll have the opportunity to either open up a new account or you can receive a wire transfer. So you can totally receive a wire transfer to your bank account. It'll be paid in US dollars or equivalent Canadian dollar, British pound, Euro dollar, or Australian dollars. If the winner chooses to be paid in anything other than US dollars, the winner will bear the cost of currency conversion, as well as valuation exposure due to changes in foreign exchange values. Okay. So I hope that answered everyone's question. My competition's not full, you guys. Go to competitions. So you have to sign in, by the way. Sign in. Look, I put my little Tanya trades in my picture. Sign in first, click competitions, or scroll down, and then you'll see Tanya's. You have to scroll down, then you'll see mine. You see there's 1,200 people in. So we still have 289 spots left. It's not full yet. This is not my competition. This is a 5-day challenge, and it ends in 6 hours. Click competitions or browse competitions, whatever. Scroll, and you'll see. See, these are ones that were completed already. These are ones that were completed already. So you could see. I already signed up, so it says my competitions. Tanya Trades 1K Arena Challenge. Okay. See in the past what some people, you see this is like a crazy one where people are just YOLOing. See any other one? This is a 2.5K one. Let's see this one. Wow, this is a 5-day one. Did they actually what was this terms? What? How did someone have this much? 5 days? Oh, their beginning balance was 25,000 on this one, you see? So there was definitely YOLOs going on here. Because if you have $25,000 of margin, you could just take 25 NASDAQ contracts, you know? How much was this one? Also beginning balance 25,000. So mine is going to be different than everyone else's. It's going to be interesting. Because to me, this total P&L, it literally means nothing. It's okay. Because our competition, you start off with $1,000. You know, you have 1 day, so the top person might flip that to 5,000 or so. But I don't know. It's not going to be a large leaderboard, especially max position sizing is limited. So actually, first place could just be someone who made $1,000. How to log in that trading view. You go to trading view, go to trading panel, and there you go. Connect through trusted brokers. Log in. Yeah, limits on number of contracts in your challenge 3. Let me sign it up for you if I'm registering another one at the moment. Yeah. JTT, who is the best payout policy between MyFunded and Tradeify? I like MyFunded, their expert plans the most because it's literally just based on calendar days, 14 calendar days. There's no consistency rule. So you could literally have 2 really good trading days and just wait 14 calendar days and then take the payout. So you're not pressured to trade more. It's most like a personal account, honestly. But if you want a straight to funded account, then go with Tradeify. Like, then you don't have to pass an eval. However, with that, like, there's a 20% consistency rule and you need 7 trading days. So I'm working my way for that one. Where am I up to? If next week's a good week, I'll take a payout from Tradeify. I have the trading days, but I need to get to the profit target to make about $4,000 more. So, but my larger stake can't be like more than 2,000, or else I'd have to make a little bit more because of the consistency. So let's see. What's cool about Tradeify is that it'll show you exactly how much you need to make. So like I have the trading days down. My highest profit day is 2,000. So like I have to actually, I don't have to make that much. So that's cool. I have to make 9,000 to take a payout and need to maintain at least 20% consistency. So that's why I'm going to just keep it below this much. So what do I need? Yeah, I need to make like 4,200 more. But I'm not gonna rush that. Plus I have that on like 5 accounts. So when I take a payout, it would be a nice chunk of change there. I think 15K or so. So that's nice because you can buy a straight to funded account with them. That's why they have consistency though, because like you can think about it. It's just way too much risk for a firm to offer straight to funded and not have a consistency rule like that. So I was just fiddling with my armchair. So it's like pick your poison, like on the prop firms. Like you have to just play the game. It's not trading like a brokerage. It's totally different because, you're stacking accounts, there's rules, etc. But there's like an opportunity to make a life-changing amount of money. Like I know many people that just, it can make a big difference in your life if you consistently take payouts, or if you it's the only one where you can scale and you buy like a challenge of like a few $100 and you can flip that to thousands and thousands of dollars. On a personal account, straight up, it's nearly impossible to put 5K into a personal account, flip that to like 100K. Versus you can buy 5K of challenges and flip that to 100K. Yeah, it's really hard, but it's way easier because you already have the margin available at the beginning, essentially, if that makes sense. But I trade both. Yeah, I have my personal account too. And with that one, I like it because like I can instantly just take money out. I have where's my vision board, you guys? I'm gonna share with the people still here. What's my vision board? Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Okay, new vision board. Because I completed my old one. So I learned this yesterday from my mental game coach. This is some sauce right now because y'all are here still and I want to just talk. Yeah, I pay a mental game coach a lot of money, dude. Like, lots of money. Like $500 an hour or more. I don't remember. I think it is $500 an hour. So, or 400 to 500. And then, anyway, I was talking to him. And literally, you're only as disciplined as you need to be. Like if you're achieving your goals, you don't need to be more disciplined, right? So that's why, you know, if you're just getting by, like if for example, in a class, you know that you just need a 70% on the final exam to get an A, you're not going to study as much. Why would you, you know? So that's why you have to raise the bar for yourself and just raise your vision, your goals. So I also had a big vision board, like actually on poster board. And that's like long-term stuff, but this is more some short-term things, short to long-term. So I can just have it on my desk and see it. So yeah. Yeah, this is like, you can see here, I've like, want to like buy property. So I just put a title deed thing. This is like a penthouse apartment with a nice view. I have that. And then I have like Japan here because I want to go to Japan next year, like probably in April. So just like a luxury trip so I can reward myself. And then another luxury trip to here. I have a Chanel bag here, but like I can obviously afford a Chanel bag now if I want to. But for me, it's like, I think I'm putting like a little fun goal, like, no, I have to make like that much in a single day and take it out the same day. This is probably going to be completed soon, but easy. But I honestly can't like justify myself getting a designer bag otherwise, if that makes sense. Because I don't really care that much for it. I feel like I should get one because to have one, just like dress up and whatever. I have like a expensive one that I do like, but I didn't buy it for myself. So I like my watch and my love bracelet. Before I go to Croatia, I have to remember to take the screwdriver because this thing does not come off. You need to use like their screwdriver to take it off. So I have to remember. And then this is the mini tank, the tank mini. They only sold this. This is limited edition. They only sold this from November to April, and this has already increased in value, which is nice because I bought it for $7,000. Now it's already worth $8,000. Just because it was limited edition, I guess. I don't know. This was more than this, which is funny. This was $8K, which is crazy because this is definitely not $8K worth of gold, but I'm gonna wear it forever, so. It's more of like a deeper meaning to me because I remember when I was younger, when I was like 17 or whatever, I remember seeing like some celebrities post like their arm, their wrist or something, and I'd be like, ah, man, like that's impossible, or like, oh, easy for them. And I'd be kind of like spiteful and annoyed, like, oh, Kylie Jenner, look at her and her 3 bracelets and stuff. So to me, like, having this is more like, oh, I made it moment a little bit. So that's why I like this. It's like, oh, it was possible. So I got it for myself like in January this year because I had a good year last year. Everyone said no slot left. If one more person tells me the competition is full, like I will literally like hit myself in the head with the ban hammer. This is why like most traders fail. It's because like people don't know how to read directions. People just click and then see what's there right away on the homepage. Read the directions. It says it in the posted thing. It says sign in, register first, and scroll down to browse competitions to sign up. If 1,200 people did it, you could do it too. There's still 300 spots left, you guys. Let's see. Scroll down. There's still 268 spots left. Okay, scroll down to competitions. It should probably look something like this, and it'll say Tanya's Arenas Challenge. Then you enter. I entered it myself too. I had to do the same thing, so I could do it. You could do it. 268 spots left. Starts on Monday. It'll be fun. I'm honestly hoping that Monday is also another down day, and then like we can start targeting lower. That would be lovely, because the thing is, we haven't had like 2 significant down close candles in a row in a long time. This is, to me, is not that significant. Or it didn't invert anything. So if we have, it would be actually good. I would love it. As someone that does, I honestly like shorting more than longing. Longing is fine, it just takes forever. Shorting is kind of just more fun because it's typically staircase up, elevator down. You get that dopamine hit faster. That's simply it. That's why a lot of people like shorting more. And if you recognize that, it's fine. Then you can have more patience when you're longing too. But for me, I would love if like Monday we have another down day, and if today we have this daily FEG, I don't know where we'll close, but if we could develop a daily FEG and then Monday inverts it, then like we can start targeting some sell side. That would be kind of fun. Or on ES, anyone notice we never came back into that weekly open yet? This is crazy. Like NASDAQ did that week. I really did think that we were going to come back to it. And we never did for ES. Like I'd be targeting that for sure. However, that's just if this then that, right? If it doesn't happen, then just got to go back to the drawing board. Let's see here, ES. Is the tournament only one day? Yeah. It's just from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Monday. Come support me on NinjaTrader's live stream. I'll be there doing the challenge on there. And hosting it, yeah. Now, it's like a normal stream, I'll be trading that account and doing analysis and reporting on the leaderboard. It'll be fun. I'm really hoping that price action is going to be good that day. I don't want to look dumb, but whatever, that's part of the game. I know, I trust myself that I won't blow up an account or something. I'm not going to go be at 0 or something, so. JTT says, because of panic-induced markets fall faster, people lose hope slower and buy markets. It's actually a thing. Exactly. The mind games played are wild, yeah. You were like Kane, he prefers shorts? Yeah, definitely. I know he preferred shorts. I wonder if he got the shorts today. I wouldn't be surprised if he also got stopped out breakeven. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask him. For him, he probably shorted right after the open. I don't know, maybe I'm not too sure if he would have shorted this inversion. Does Ninja competitions allow Mac users? Yeah, so I'll sign in and show you guys. You go to sign in, go to how it works, step-by-step guide. You can scroll down here, and it literally, you could also compete just on the NinjaTrader website on the web. So you can do Mac there, or for Mac, you could sign into NinjaTrader here, sign into your account, click simulated account, and then it should be there. Or you could, if you have parallels for Mac, which I do. When I'm traveling this summer, I'm going to be using my Mac, and I'll probably be using parallels on my Mac, which is, It allows you to use Windows apps, but that's like a paid program. So you have a few options there. You could even trade on NinjaTrader mobile. I personally don't. I don't like trading on my phone. I'll only trade on my phone for options and on Robinhood. And for that, I give myself like larger stops and it's more chill trade. Futures, I'll trade on desktop or, computer. So yeah, if you need more help, just go to FAQ. They've pretty much outlined it to the T there. If you're still telling me that the competition's full, I don't know what to tell you because there's still slots. There's 250 spots left. Click view details. Now scroll down or click competitions. Scroll down. You'll see mine somewhere here or something like that. Tanya trades. Sign up. 1250 people did it. You could do it too. I promise. Promise you'll find it. WTC said, right now, price action for ES and NQ is horrible, although I have a sharp bias for today if we inverse the 4-hour fair value gap on ES. Yeah, I had a short bias. I tried short. I got stopped at breakeven today. And no harm, no foul. I'm fine with it. We didn't deliver cleanly. I'm just chalking it up to probabilities and a little bit of bad luck or a little bit of too tight a stop. I don't see myself as that was a wrong decision. It's just probability's sake. The 10 a.m. fucking news stopped me out. POS. But stopped me at breakeven, so I can't even complain that much. For ES, what was the, it's definitely slightly different. Giveaway. Some people want to do a giveaway. So the people that are still here, why not? Why not? It's Friday. Porque no. You gotta do it. What do you think? What kind of account should I give away? I just remembered. Yeah. What did I freaking buy? At the Tradeify meetup, I actually won some accounts and agreed with them. I was like, yeah, before I even spun the wheel. It was fun. The Tradeify meetup in New York, they had this wheel you could spin and you could win accounts. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna give these away on my stream. So let's give away one of those accounts. Yeah. Yeah, I just have to remember what I won. Let me look. Yeah, let's give it away. Okay. Oh, I did win a straight to funded account. I won a 50K straight to funded account. Let's do that. Straight to funded, you do not have to pass an eval. To the people that are still here, these are loyal supporters. Hopefully you guys will also watch me on Monday, right? I'm NinjaTrader, so come support. Yeah, let's do it. Google Forms. Woohoo! It's been a good week this week. I almost really don't even want to get off the stream because I'm just chilling with you guys. So I'm going to give away one 50K straight to funded. Okay, first name, YouTube username, and what is it called? Your email. Publish. Wait. Respond only once. Settings, responses. Limit to 1 response. Publish. Trying to connect. Am I still streaming, you guys? Did I lose my internet? Or is just Google Forms being stupid? Okay, we're good. Unable to publish form. Refresh. Publish. How do I share this? Share. Oops. Share anyone with the link done. Oh, link. Here we go. Shorten URL. Copy. Alright. Gonna put it in the chat right now. Alright. Enter the giveaway in the chat. You'll win a 50K straight to funded Tradeify account. Oh, I'm still here? Cool. I'm still here. You have to be careful trading something like this. Like we already expanded. Even when we hit, basically after we hit this, I was like mentally checked out anyway. After I got stopped at breakeven, I was like, whatever. It's a shitty type of delivery. But we hit the standard deviation. So it seems like we're just kind of accumulating. You know, you have to be careful when we distribute. You know, it's AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? So this is pretty much a good example of this. Really good example. Right? This is literally like the amazing example of accumulation, price accumulating, manipulation, took out this high, London high, manipulated above this high, even ES divergence, it didn't take out that high. And then it broke down, and then you have the distribution after. So after distribution, again, there's accumulation. So you have to be careful. You don't want to get caught up in an accumulation. You want to wait for another manipulation before entering. Email says option 1. I'm retarded. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me go fix that. Where'd it go? Okay. File on a... Alright, we're going to... I'm going to make a new one. I'm making a new Google form because this one's wonky. Making a new one. So that someone that like responded in the last one can respond in this one too, because I put like limited to 1. I think, yeah, because I have to click on it. Yeah, my bad. Giveaway. Okay, giving away 50K straight to funded. First name. YouTube username. We'll spin the wheel for this one too. Let's make it fun. Email. Why does it say multiple? It used to do like short answer right away, like automatically when I did that. Okay. Responses, limit to 1. Publish, link, shorten URL. Okay. Putting in the chat, this is the real one, then I'll pin it too. Okay, it's in the chat again. Let me pin it too. Pin message. Let me know if that one works. I mean, I'll see right away, actually. Responses. Let's see, the top fans for this stream. Jarrow, Chris Fisher, Waleed Ahman, Al Dente, Shri, Rohit, Jambino Cushman, Tagios, Tabo Maximus, Reserve Trader, Fanny. Oh, what's up, Fanny? I'm just reading this so I get to know my chat more. You know, this is actually helpful. So I just recognize Roadrunner. I recognize, you know, if you have a green name, totally. So I know my regulars. Let's see here. Go back to live chat. You have to purchase a Tradeify account? No, this is free. This is free to enter. I won, actually at the Tradeify meetup in New York. You know, spun the wheel. And I said I would give it away to my live stream, so might as well give it one away now. I think I won 3 accounts, so I'll save the other 2 for another time. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, you guys, yeah, you did. You did it correctly. Hide, okay, lovely. I will spin the wheel. I'll give you guys like 2 more minutes to fill that out. And then we'll choose the winner. And hit the like button. Helps the channel out. There's only 610 likes. If we get to 700, I'll start the giveaway right away. How was the Tradeify meetup? It was good. You know, I respect Tradeify. They're fun people. It was like at a nice place. They reserved like this whole like restaurant vibe, bar vibe, and they had food and they had an open bar. Like I was impressed. And like I met some other traders too. I met some people that like watched the stream, so that was cool. And of course, yeah, Jake was there too, so that was fun. Rake Trades. It's definitely one of my closest trader friends. Oh yeah, I said that when we did the stream once, and I said, oh yeah, he's definitely one of my closest trader friends, and he got he was like, Tanya, I think we could say we're real friends too. It's like, you're friend, and I'm like, that's true. Yeah. He invited me to his 4th of July barbecue. Like, Jake always loves to throw, what does he call them? Benders? But I had a wedding to go to, so I didn't go this year, but I went last year to his 4th of July barbecue. It was cool. I went to his New Year's party. It was fun. What else? And Jake's a fun guy. Do I recommend My Fun and Futures? Yeah, I do. I recommend My Fun and Futures, Tradeify, Apex. Those are the ones that I use. What's your indicator for midnight, 8:30 and 9:30? It's called ICT Kill Zones and Pivots. And you can really customize this a lot. Like, you could even show, like, the Asia session, the London session, or something. Like, you could show it on here as well. So then you'd see the whole range, but I can see that myself. But some people like to see, oh, Asian manipulation, London, so you scroll down and you opening prices, and this is what it is. You can take a screenshot. What I got, that's all I have on here. There's a lot of different things you could put. We have 700 likes. Yeah, I've said I left Top Step because there's no trading view anymore. I know. I don't understand why. I mean, I understand it's a good business decision for them. That's basically why. So that they stop paying other platforms, basically, to use their platform. But you think you should be expanding, not constricting traders' options, That's not, I don't buy it that, oh, it's for the trader. I personally do not trade on the same platform as the prop firm. If the prop firm owns a platform, I will not trade on that. To me, there's a conflict of interest there. So that's why I always click Tradeovate or Ninja Trader. I've been using that for 3 years. So anyway, let's do it. I see there's 704 likes. Let's pick the winners. Let's pick the winners. Okay, let me copy paste. Reserve Trader, I see you. Oh my God. Yeah. Trying to copy paste everybody. Okay, L's the last person. Alright, there you go. There we go. Copy paste everybody, and we'll put it in the wheel. We'll spin the wheel. Let's go. Let's spin the wheel. Let's spin it. Spin. All your names are on here. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? The winner is Red Wheel. That's hilarious. Congrats to Red Wheel. So I can just Control F. Red Wheel. Congrats to Anderson. Are you in the chat? Let me know. I have your email here. I'll send you a code or something later. Woohoo! Winner chicken dinner. Anderson Brooks IV. Oh snap! I won. There you go. Woohoo! He's in the chat. I would think so because I gave you guys 5 minutes to enter. Woohoo! Woohoo! Fun. Alright, fun Friday. Did a giveaway. Learned something about saunas. Got stopped at Breakeven. NASDAQ broke my heart a little bit today. But that's life, that's trading, and that's gonna happen again sometime, That's gonna happen in my career, and that's okay. I'm not tilted or anything. So we'll see you next week. On Monday, 9:15 a.m. I will be, actually 9 a.m. I will be on Ninja Trader Live. So on Ninja Trader's YouTube. And that's when the competition's going to be. And I'll also be part of it. So again, if you're interested in joining, I think there's 250 spots left. Link is in the description. Click the link, log in, sign up, browse competitions, enter. And I'll see you guys on Monday, hopefully. If you come support me, we have a time on Ninja Trader stream. It'll be fun. It's Friday, and remember, Friday afternoons is a lot of where people blow up accounts. So be careful. Don't be a degenerate. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend, okay? Bye.